Hello and welcome to the update 2017 about how to build a bot on Chatfuel for Facebook Messenger. So basically in this update I'm gonna look more specifically at some plugins which you can use to build your bot, and also I'm gonna give you a few examples of chatbots which are popular and which were built using Chatfuel, so you can understand more the functionality and the use cases. So to start with, the user experience of Chatfuel has changed a little bit, but mainly the functionality stayed the same. So here you have different cards: gallery, text card, image, quick reply, and the plugins. There are a few new plugins which I'm going to talk about in the next lectures. What has changed is that now you can add a link to your blog, and this link basically you can enable it here. And you can give your users this specific link, and this link is going to lead to this blog. So basically, if you want people to give access to a specific part of your chatbot, if you want to send them to a specific part, that's how you can do it. Another changes which I want to show you, which were done in Chatfuel, are here in configure, so basically in the settings. And now you can add admins, so if you have more people managing your chatbot, you can add them here, you can invite them using email address. Also now you have persistent menu. Basically it is a menu which is always there and is visible by the user, so if you have some important information like the welcome message or restart the bot, it will be there. So basically users can always use this menu if something goes wrong. Another thing which was implemented is the native Facebook payments, and I'm going to talk about them in a separate lectures, how to enable payments in your chatbot. If you, for example, have an online store, or if you are selling some products over your Facebook page, this is a very useful feature for you. So let's get into it, and let's start by looking at the plugin which is called Google Search and Bing Search.